How to get the dark mode on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the dark mode on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and go down, click on settings and privacy. Now go down and choose the accessibility, display and languages option. And here you will find 4 options. Choose the second one, it's display. And here you will find the dark mode. Click on it and you can turn it on from here, as you can see. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.